Hi friends, I hope you are doing great. So today was a Nifty expiry, first expiry in the month of March. So before going into today's market analysis, so let us try to understand what has happened yesterday. So now we are seeing Nifty on the chart in a daily time frame. As you can see here, so yesterday after 9 consecutive red candles, we saw one green candle, which is good and which is a good indication actually. So looking at this pattern, okay, till yesterday's candle, it was a clear bullish engulfing pattern. So we thought the market is going to take a reverse direction, where we expected the market will continue to rise upside, okay. But so yesterday the US markets were completely volatile and some indices are traded in positive and some closed in negative. But overall, the US markets were very much volatile all throughout the day. Also, yesterday, Germany released a CPI data which actually indicates that the inflation is still not in control. After Indian markets close, European markets, after the Germany CPI data out, the European markets also turned negative, which actually made even the SGX Nifty also this day morning it was trading almost like minus 0.2 percentage around. And you can see today the market has closed below previous day open, okay. So today it's completely a one side move. So Nifty has almost fallen minus 0.74%. Also we can see that Nifty is trading below 200-day EMA. So overall the global markets and even the Indian markets are in negative sentiment. The major reason is that the inflation is not yet controlled. So we have to wait and see how the central banks will react to control this inflation. All right. So let's analyze today's market. Let me apply a 5-minute time frame. If you can see here, so this is a opening candle 9:15. So in the first 5 minutes, it tried to move upside, but since the bears are in full control and see what happened in the next 10 minutes, market has fallen almost from 430 to 370, almost 60 points fall in just a matter of first 10 minutes. So I think I have started taking positions from 9:30. As you can see, despite the market has fallen almost 0.7%, but the VIX was not turned into positive. VIX has even came down. It is almost like now close to 13. So the premiums are also very damn cheap. It was a very risky decision to take a trade today because if there is any a 50-point move also can lead the premiums to spike. So I started with a small quantity initially. So even today it is a pretty range bound trade after almost 9:30, because if you can see here, this is a rejection level where multiple times the price has got rejection, and this is a support with the market has traded within this range till almost 1:30. Okay, so there are only two places where I got hit with a slight SL. Since the VIX is very low and the premiums are damn cheap, I actually kept the SLs very close. So this is one place where it's a very clear breakout, it's a false breakout, and once after the Nifty broke this level, this rejection level, I thought I went and shorted nearby puts. Thereafter what happened, as you can see here, there is again a fall. Okay, so it's in this false breakout, some of my puts got hits SL during this fall, during this IV move. But the good thing in today's market is the premiums were not much reactive. Even the market has been fallen almost minus 0.74%. Okay, so almost till 1:30, despite the Nifty was trading negative, but Bank Nifty was giving a very good support. Bank Nifty was almost like minus 0.1%, 0.2%. It didn't felt much today, but later after 1:30 around, okay, as you can see, this fall is just mainly because of the fall that has happened in the Bank Nifty. So the Bank Nifty fall has contributed more to the Nifty, and we saw the Nifty has almost fall 0.74%. Okay, Considering the option trading, today was such a smooth expiry, I would say, from my point of view. Today I was busy with my office work, so I couldn't get much time to look into the chart and do adjustments, because I kept stop losses for all my positions which are very close. So just one or two trades got hit SL, but overall today the expiry was so cool. The premiums didn't reacted very much despite the market moved adverse. So let me show you my order book. So here you can see these are the orders that I have placed today. As you can see, other than the hedged positions, rest of my all positions were ended in green, because today I didn't did any kind of adjustments, much adjustments. So overall today I made a profit of almost 27,000 plus, which is very decent. So to be honest, I didn't spend much time monitoring the market. So going forward, we need to be more cautious in market, because even the Indian market and the global market sentiment are not so good because of many factors. One is inflation, geopolitical tensions. I think it's been a very long time that during expiry days, I usually try to spend a good amount of time in monitoring the chart. But today, despite I didn't get a chance to watch the market, but the expiry was so cool. Yeah, overall ended in green. So one more important thing is, if you might have noticed from last couple of days, so FIIs were sellers, and despite FIIs keep selling, but DIs were giving a very good competition to them, and they are being a continuous buyer. If both FIIs and DIs, if by any chance they both turn into sellers, then we cannot imagine how the market can fall. Keep a track on all of these things. Alright friends, that's all for today. I hope you had a good expiry. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day.